the whole team. Marquette Catholics from Michigan City, Indiana, and I want you to take a look at their warm-ups that they've designed tonight. Come on out, guys. They brought a donation, and they made their shirts up for you. And let Donald Roberts say a little bit.
Tragedy that Washington has been put through in recent weeks. And we just, every single year we have a response scrimmage that we take donations instead of money for admission. And we usually donate that to homeless shelters or to Catholic Charities, which is just a charity in our city. And instead of that, we decided this year to just take it with us on the bus and give it to the people that most need it. So hopefully you guys can all use it. I understand, Coach, that some of your players were hit hard by the tornado as well. So gentlemen, good luck. Good luck to you guys, and we hope that the rest of this is